Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. So I already finished 1.6 kilometer run daw pero nagbaklay. Anyway, so gatalithi umaambon, but I'm in the mood for like a short afternoon run. It's simply because I'm feeling weak sa mga muscle ko for the past 3 days. Nasa bed lang ako and gusto ko kahit pa paano ma-exercise tong mga muscles ko tsaka yung heart tsaka lungs ko. So I'm trying to document my journey as a cancer survivor. Actually, hindi pa talaga ako naka-survive totally. But cancer-free ko. The reason why hindi pa talaga ako survivor, kasi for you to be a survivor, dapat 10 years ka na cancer-free. So, sa ngayon, ay cancer-free sa ano pala? Cancer-free ko since August ba? Yeah, August 2022. So, 22, 23, 24. So, wala pa gid ko nag 2 years na cancer-free. And marami pa rin bukol yung tiyan ko, ganun. And, kanang sobrang budgeted ko yung energy ko, yung time ko, because mabilis ako mabinat ba? I don't know, hindi pa to alam ng mga hindi nakaranas ng surgery, but sa lahat ng nabuksan na, and sa akin kasi 3 surgery ko, so yun, mabilis ako nagpatong-patong ba, kaya hirap talaga ako. Naka-binder ako ngayon eh. So, the reason why sinishare ko sa inyo tong journey ko as a cancer survivor. I-claim na lang natin yung cancer survivor kasi I want to share you this wonderful journey. Kasi, diba nga, my social media, I use it as a platform to my fellow cancer patient na you are more than your illness, and you can still look beautiful aura, and you can still do things na normal mong ginagawa and adds value in your life kahit na you are in the process of treatment, ganun. Just make sure na you do what your doctor said. Tapos this is also for family members sa mga pasyente na terminally ill, kasi I don't have that support system. So I wanna share this to you guys, kasi I was mistaken of soliciting sympathy, and as far as I can remember, never ako na nag-ask for any financial anything, because I was diagnosed during pandemic, and I know how hard yung panahon na yun. So I try my best na, ano,